Thank you. Well, as Emmett noted earlier, RxSight light adjustable lens has now entered commercial clinical practice, becoming the first IOL that allows the doctor and patient to collaboratively customize vision after cataract surgery. This new capability has the potential to simplify the premium IOL preoperative messaging and decision-making process, deliver better uncorrected vision and visual quality, and offer a range of astigmatic and presbyopia corrections with a single lens solution. Briefly, the LAL is implanted using conventional surgery techniques. However, no marking or special intraoperative equipment is required for the refractive correction, since approximately 2 to 3 weeks after surgery, the patient will be refracted in the office for any residual sphere or cylinder. Instead of giving the prescription to the patient for glasses, however, the refraction is used as an input to the office-based light delivery device that will modify the optic of the LAL. This optical modification occurs when a specific pattern of UV light from the LDD, selected to match the eye's refractive error and target, is delivered to the LAL, inducing a photopolymerization of shorter polymer chains called macromers in the lens matrix. Over the next 24 hours, macromers from other areas of the lens will move into the treated volume, producing a precise refractive change. This process can be repeated several times until the patient and the doctor are satisfied, after which the entire lens is polymerized to provide a stable correction. The LAL process does not require the patient to preoperatively select a particular IOL optical design or the surgeon to perform high-stakes surgical planning and execution, reducing the stress of these decisions as well as the overall surgical process. It can also reduce post-operative issues such as residual refractive error or significant dysphotopsias that can require secondary procedures such as LASIK or IOL exchange. Instead, the patient can work with the clinical team post-operatively to verify their choices prior to an enhancement with the office-based light delivery device. The LAL also overcomes a key limitation of current astigmatism correcting IOLs. That is our limited ability to predict both postoperative amount and axis of astigmatism, particularly in eyes with low levels of astigmatism below 1.5 diopters, where the variability is proportionally high, as shown in these graphs from our PMA control data. Not surprisingly, many clinicians avoid conventional toric IOLs in these low astigmatism eyes, with less than 1 in 10 patients receiving a toric IOL in this group versus more than 1 in 4 with moderate to high levels of preoperative astigmatism. Because low astigmatism eyes are 2/3 of the total astigmatism population, this represents a significant clinical and market opportunity. This is illustrated in a European multi-center study that will be reported on Sunday by Dr. Fritz Hengerer. In this study, 77 eyes with predominantly low astigmatism underwent standard cataract surgery with implantation of the LAL. Refractive results 3 weeks after surgery, but prior to adjustment, would be considered excellent by any standard, with mean spherical equivalent of almost 0 and mean uncorrected visual acuity of 20/25. Despite these excellent results, however, adjustment with the LDD led to a mean improvement of 2 lines of vision on the eye chart, with 96% of eyes achieving 20/25 or better after adjustment versus 50% before, and a 10-fold reduction in the number of eyes with uncorrected vision of 20/40 or worse. A single-center study has also evaluated the precision of the LAL system in monovision, which is performed 3 to 4 times more frequently than presbyopia-correcting IOLs. 25 subjects underwent bilateral implantation with the LAL with postoperative adjustment of sphere and cylinder to achieve a 1 diopter difference between the 2 eyes. These subjects demonstrated a very high rate of binocular 20/20 or better uncorrected vision at distance, intermediate, and at near, as well as simultaneously at all distances. Importantly, dysphotopsias and contrast sensitivities were similar to a monofocal IOL with no loss of best corrected vision. These results compared favorably to those recently reported for the latest trifocal design, which also noted dysphotopsia symptoms typical for a multifocal IOL. A second presbyopia study has also evaluated postoperative adjustment of the LAL with a light pattern that provides an extended depth of focus. Outstanding broadening of the defocus curve has been shown with low rates of dysphotopsias or reduced contrast sensitivity, likely due to the ability to center the pattern on the visual axis and to largely eliminate residual refractive error. This procedure is also being evaluated in a US IDE study. After just a few months of commercial experience, an expanding group of practices are reporting excellent patient acceptance of both the adjustability message, the clinical results, and the premium pricing, with LAL adoption rates approaching 50% of premium procedures performed in those practices. In summary, the RxSight light adjustable lens provides premium IOL patients and practices with simplified decision-making, refractive precision, and high quality of vision. We're excited about the reception that the LAL has received so far and look forward to continuing to advance this versatile technology. Thank you.